Let's face it, folks, we love our furry friends, but their odors? Not so much. A house permeated with that distinct doggy or catty smell is less than appealing. It's like walking into a wall of fur and funk. But fear not, my fellow pet lovers, a fresh-smelling home is within reach. With a bit of elbow grease and some clever strategies, you can banish pet odors and restore a welcoming atmosphere. Think of it like this. Tackling pet odors is a culinary adventure. We're going to break down the process, ingredient by ingredient, to create a recipe for a fresh-smelling home. Just like a well-seasoned dish, a few key elements can transform a pungent problem into a breath of fresh air. So, grab your cleaning supplies and let's get cooking up a storm of freshness. The first rule of defunking your home is to attack the source. Pet hair and dander are notorious odor culprits. They cling to every surface, embedding themselves in carpets, upholstery, and even your curtains. Regular vacuuming is your best defense. Invest in a vacuum cleaner with good suction and a HEPA filter to trap those microscopic particles. Don't forget about those furry havens, pet beds. These cozy nests can harbor a surprising amount of odor. Wash them frequently in hot water with an enzymatic cleaner to break down organic matter and neutralize smells. And while you're at it, give those plush toys a good cleaning too. A quick trip through the washing machine can work wonders. Just like a simmering pot needs ventilation, so does your home. Open those windows and let fresh air circulate, especially after cleaning or when the weather permits. Fresh air is nature's deodorizer, helping to dissipate lingering odors and create a healthier living environment. For an extra layer of defense, consider investing in an air purifier. These handy devices work wonders in removing airborne pet dander, allergens, and those pesky odor molecules. Look for a purifier with a HEPA filter, as these are specifically designed to trap even the smallest particles. Remember baking soda, the MVP of the pantry? Well, it pulls double duty as an odor-absorbing powerhouse. Sprinkle it liberally on carpets and upholstery. Let it sit for a few hours to absorb odors, then vacuum it up. You'll be amazed at the difference. Another natural odor eliminator is activated charcoal. This porous material acts like a magnet for odor molecules, trapping them within its structure. Place a few bowls of activated charcoal around your home, especially in areas prone to pet odors, and let it work its magic. Proactive steps for a fresh-smelling home. Now that we've tackled the existing odors, let's talk prevention. Regular grooming is essential for keeping pet odors at bay. Brushing your furry friend removes loose fur and dander, preventing them from being deposited all over your home. Bathing is another crucial aspect of odor control. Use a pet-specific shampoo and conditioner to cleanse their coat and neutralize odors. And don't forget about those pearly whites. Regular teeth brushing can significantly reduce doggy breath, a common culprit of unpleasant odors. Here are a few expert tips to elevate your odor-fighting game. Invest in washable slipcovers for furniture. These lifesavers protect your upholstery from pet hair and accidents, and they can be easily tossed in the wash for a thorough cleaning. Place doormats at all entrances to trap dirt and debris before they make their way into your home. Consider using a pet-specific enzymatic cleaner for accidents. These cleaners contain enzymes that break down organic matter, eliminating odors at the source. And don't forget about your car. Regularly vacuum and clean your car's interior to prevent pet odors from taking hold. Your burning questions answered. My house still smells even after cleaning. What am I doing wrong? Pet odors can linger in porous materials like carpets and upholstery. Consider hiring a professional cleaner who specializes in pet odor removal for a deep clean. Are there any natural alternatives to air fresheners? Absolutely. Simmer a pot of water with citrus peels, cinnamon sticks, or cloves for a refreshing natural scent. My dog has a skin condition that causes odor. What can I do? Consult with your veterinarian. They can recommend medicated shampoos or treatments to address the underlying skin condition and minimize odor.